Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're in Erie, Pennsylvania at the Curtze Food Fair. And we're here with Tom from the Palmyra Real Food Emporium in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. He got us passes to go to this thing. It is an invitation-only event, and best of all, he got us some behind-the-scenes footage or some behind-the-scenes areas that most people are not allowed to go. So thank you very much for that, Tom.
You're welcome.
And let's go and see what we can see. I am so excited. A very nondescript looking warehouse type building. Entering these doors transports you into another world. The world of the Curtze Food Fair. Let's explore this otherworldly dimension of food goodness. Here you will find all kinds of foods, including seafood. Now this includes redfish, bluefish, big fish, scary fish, and just about any other kind of food you can imagine. Let's take a closer look.
I'm kind of wandering around like a drunken sailor right now.
That's fine. It's part of the fun.
Mediterranean that you get at home.
Okay.
I usually like that.
Can I have some soup?
No soup for you.
These cheeses were great. But let's take a quick look back in the fish freezer. This is really cool. But just be happy this isn't smellable.
Slime on fish is good because slime protects the scales and the skin of the fish. So the fish naturally secretes the slime. It's a protein. There's a bacteria that lives in that protein. It's a symbiotic relationship. When the fish dies, that bacteria lives, it will continue to eat the protein in the slime. So if the fish has no slime, it means it's an older fish. Once that slime is gone, that protein starts to break down on the meat inside the fish. So when I get fish, it better be slimy.
Now that's a big fish.
Give me some time to blow the man down. We would open a bar on the 13th of May. Way, blow the man down. The Gallagher jumped and the gale came away. Give me some time to blow
Well, thank you for coming along with us to the Curtze Food Fair in Erie, Pennsylvania. We had a fantastic time. So thank you, Tom. That was great. And bellies are full. So I hope you enjoyed all the behind the scenes footage. And as always, have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell while you're at it.